Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the principles of healthy eating and a balanced diet. Today, we'll delve into the essential components of a nutritious lifestyle that can help you achieve your health goals while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. A balanced diet is all about nourishing your body with a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Let's start with the foundation: fruits and vegetables. These colorful powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. Aim to fill half of your plate with these vibrant goodies. Next, let's talk about whole grains. Foods like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and whole grain pasta provide essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help keep you full and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Lean proteins are another crucial component. Incorporate lean meats, fish, beans, legumes, and tofu into your meals. They're excellent sources of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are examples of nutrient-rich sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are beneficial for heart health and can be part of a balanced diet. Dairy products can also play a role, providing calcium and other essential nutrients. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options like milk, yogurt, and cheese to minimize saturated fat intake. And of course, hydration is key. Water is your best friend. Stay well hydrated throughout the day to support bodily functions and promote overall well-being. You can also obtain water from fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas. Remember, balance is the key to a healthy diet. Aim to create a balanced plate, with a variety of colors and nutrients. And don't forget to practice portion control, savoring your meals mindfully. Lastly, complement your balanced diet with regular physical activity. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, jogging, or yoga. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, boosts your mood, and enhances your overall fitness. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the world of healthy eating and a balanced diet. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and inspiration on your journey towards a vibrant and nourished lifestyle. Remember, taking care of your body starts with what you put on your plate.